Welcome to CPL 2006 point taken after 9 match. CPL latest point table CPL schedule. See the dashboard. Uh, One position BBT, second position SLK, third position GAW, fourth position TKR, five position SNP, sixth position ABF, এবং seventh position JKM. Everybody see the point table. Top 1 BBT win 2 match and point 4. Here's the good position. And second position SLK 4 point 2 match 4 points. This is the final table after 9 matches. Thank you and watching my YouTube channel and everyday update CPL cricket match update. Thank you very much.